Assalamu alaikum. I am Ghulam Abbas. Today, my students, our topic of discussion is adjective. Adjective is a quality. Adjective is a quality. Quality of what? Quality of whose? Actually, adverb is a quality of noun. Quality of noun. In a sentence, Akram is a noun. Akram Akram is playing cricket. Akram is noun. Akram is a good cricketer. So good cricketer his quality. Good cricketer is his good quality. So quality is there are many types of qualities like quality of truth, quality of longness, quality of smooth speaker, and there are. So let's come to the topic, and topic is adjective. Adjective is quality of noun. Adjective is the word which qualify the noun. Example is red car. There are many cars. There is a white car. So white is his quality. Red is his quality. Black car, black is his quality. So that color shows his quality. That color shows his quality. Tall boy, size, color, size, right? And we can say shape, taste, and all these are color, shape, taste, all these are their qualities. So, adjective is a word simply. Adjective is a word which qualify the noun. Red car, red is adjective. Tall boy, tall is adjective. And smart boy, smart is adjective. So there is another topic. First topic is what is adjective with examples, and there is types of adjective. Types of adjective. How many types of adjective? So there are many types of adjectives, but at our level, our matriculation level, and in our exams, according to our exam, we will discuss only 7 types of adjectives. We will discuss only 7 types of adjective because in our exam there are lot of types of adjective, but in according to our preparation and our exam, we will discuss here only 7 types of adjective. So remember their names and revise these words with me. Adjective of number one, adjective of quality. Number one, adjective of quality. Number two, adjective of quantity. Number three, adjective of numbers. Number four, adjective of demonstrative adjective. Number five, distributive adjective. Number six, interrogative adjective. And number seven, possessive adjective. Number seven, possessive adjectives. Clear, my students? Again, we will repeat. Adjective of number one, adjective of quality. Adjective of number two, adjective of quantity. Number three, adjective of numbers. Number four, demonstrative adjective. Number five, distributive adjective. Number six, interrogative adjective. Number seven, possessive adjective. So, we discussed here today what is adjective. Adjective is a word which qualify the noun. Red car, tall boy. Red is quality and tall is quality. So red and tall, these two words indicate they are quality, and they are quality of noun. Noun is car. Red car, red is quality and car is noun. Tall is quality and boy is noun. So adjective is a word which qualify the noun. Clear? Types of noun. There are 7 types of noun. Adjective of number 1, adjective of quality. Number 2, adjective of quantity. Number 3, adjective of numbers. Demonstrative adjective. Number 5, distributive adjective. Number 6, interrogative adjective. Number 7, possessive adjectives. तो नेक्स्ट हम बात करेंगे adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. A word which tells us simply quality. Quality, size, shape and color are taste. Taste की बात करते हैं. Size is tall boy. Shape, that is a goal maze, that is goal table, round table जिसे हम कहते हैं, right? Big house, small house, and huge airplane, huge ship, right? That is your size. Shape, color, red, white, you know about 7 colors. Taste, you know about taste. How many tastes are there? Mainly 2, sweet and okay. Wealthy, healthy, all these are qualities. So this is brave man. This is brave man. So brave is quality of man. He is brave man, brave quality. This is red rose. That is adjective of quality. Quality who can't be measured. Who can't be measured. She is pretty girl. So pretty is adjective of quality. Pretty is adjective of quality. Now the second type of adjective is adjective of quantity. When we talk about quantity, you know quantity that is in numbers. That is in numbers and quality and quantity. Quantity, how much, small, big, and that they can be measured. They are in quantity. So we will discuss that. The word like much, more, many, any, anyhow, whole, soon, and like these words, which shows that these are adjective of quality, which shows these are the adjective of quality. Adjective of quantity, words like much, more, many, any, no, how, whole, soon, and like these words shows that these are adjective of quantity. This is much water. This much shows adjective of shower. Good. Adjective of quantity. Is there any person? Question mark. And any is here. Adjective of quantity. So adjective of quantity, words like much, more, many, anyhow, whole, soon, and like these words shows that these are adjective of quantity. Example are, this is much water and is there any person. So you understand and clear about the adjective of quantity. Now turn to the third type of adjective, which is adjective of number. First, second, third, single, double, triple, 1, 2, 3. When their words come like that, when there is a counting start, when we can count, that will show that is adjective of numbers. That is adjective of numbers. Now listen again. when their words come first, second, third, single, double, triple, one, two, three, like these words. When they start a counting and we have an idea of counting, then we will say this is adjective of numbers. This is adjective of numbers. For example, there were 20 boys in my class. 20 is also quality of class. So 20 is number of adjective. Single person is weak. Single is adjective of number. Single is adjective of number which shows to noun about noun. Noun is a person. So single is adjective of number. I saw a huge couple. Couple again adjective of number. Couple is adjective of number. So I think you have an idea about what is adjective of numbers. Fourth type is demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative, when we demonstrate something, in उर्दू we can say जब हम किसी चीज़ को सबके सामने पेश करते हैं और उसको पेश करके सामने चीज़ रख के हम लोग बता रहे होते हैं कि सपोज आई हैव दिस पॉइंटर एंड मैं इसको डिमॉन्स्ट्रेट कर रहा हूँ, इसको जनाब इसके साथ नुमाइश कर रहा हूँ और आपको बता रहा हूँ ये जनाब इसका कैप है, ये बहुत अच्छा है, ये जनाब प्लास्टिक से बना हुआ है और इसके ऊपर ये थोड़ी थोड़ी लाइंस लगी हुई हैं, इसको पिक करने में जो हेल्पफुल है, इसको खोलने के लिए हेल्पफुल है। उन्होंने कहा ये इसकी बहुत अच्छी है जी, ये इसके बैक में आप इंक ये रिफिल भी कर सकते हैं। तो आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट इट्स क्वालिटीज बट आई एम ऑल्सो शोइंग दिस and when you are showing something or point out something, that is adjective of demonstrative adjective. That is मेरे सामने एक आदमी खड़ा है, मैं उसको कह रहा हूँ ये आदमी जो है ये बहुत अच्छा इंसान है जनाब, ये 5 वक्त का नमाजी है, ये अपने वालिदैन का सबसे ज़्यादा वो जो है वो इज़्ज़त करता है, अदब करता है और इसके नज़दीक ये कहता है मैं हज जो है ना वो बाद में करूँगा, मैं पहले जो है ना मेरे वालिदैन जो बूढ़े हैं, मैं मेरे लिए हज और काबा वो है, मैं सुबह सुबह मैं अपने वालिद को मुस्कुरा के देखता हूँ, मैं उसके पाँव धोता हूँ, मैं जनाब उसकी खिदमत करता हूँ, अपने हाथों से नवाले बना के खिलाता हूँ, मैं अपनी वालदा का ख्याल रखता हूँ। वो उसको बयान कर रहा है, ठीक है। तो आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट पर्सन। वो जो नुमाइश कर रहा है वो क्या है, डिमॉन्स्ट्रेशन दे रहा है आपको, ठीक है जी। आप जब आप बड़े हो जाएंगे तो हमें कहेंगे आप लोग कहीं पे जाते हैं तो आप लोगों का सबसे पहले वो डेमो लेते हैं। व्हाट इज डेमो? डेमो इज डिमॉन्स्ट्रेशन। द वर्ड डेमो कम फ्रॉम डिमॉन्स्ट्रेशन एंड डिमॉन्स्ट्रेशन इज व्हाट इज डिमॉन्स्ट्रेशन? नुमाइश करना, पेश करना अपने आप। हाँ जी, सैंपल क्या है आपका, आप किस तरह से कोई चीज़ रिप्रेजेंट करने वाले। तो दैट इज दोज वर्ड विच पॉइंट आउट quality of something, that is demonstrative adjective. So these mangoes are sweet. So the word these is pointing out about the demonstration of something. Those books are interesting, those are again demonstrative adjective. This man is, right? All these, this, that, and something in hand, or some person near you, all these are demonstrative adjectives. Shabash. All these are demonstrative adjectives. Now, the fifth type is distributive adjective. Distributive adjective is when we use every, each, everyone, none, for describing a specific person separately. That is distributive adjective. That is distributive adjective. An adjective used to refer to each, every, everyone, or none, or refer for separately. That is distributive adjective. For example, everybody in the class has a book. Every boy in the class has a book. Every is distributive. Every is distributive adjective. Everyone should love with his mother. Everyone is again here distributive adjective. None of us was present in the meeting. Here, none is again distributive adjective. So, my students, you have clear the idea about distributive adjective. Distributive adjective when their words come each, every, everyone, none, and or any word which describe a noun separately. That is distributive adjective. Sixth type of adjective is adjective interrogative adjective, and there can be two types of interrogative adjective. When directly we ask the quality of some person, and directly quality of a person, thing, or place, or about the quality of specific thing, and another is qual about the quality about the one is about the quality of a noun, and one is about direct quality of that thing. That is interrogative adjective. That is interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective. Every every when whenever a question is asked, whenever a question is asked about the quality of a noun, whenever a question is asked about the quality of a noun, that is interrogative adjective. And when there is a question, so we will use at the end question mark. For example, what color of car was? There is a question mark. What color of car was? That is adjective of interrogative adjective. How was the person look like? Question mark. That is again adjective of interrogative adjective. Tell me about the character of a person. And here we only talk about one quality, or we can talk about whole characters. So all these came in interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective. So clear, my students. And today's last and final, last but not least, today last discussion is possessive adjective. That's possessive. Students, possessive, what is possessive? Possessive show possession, right? Whenever you purchase a plot, you ask a question, whenever you will give me possession, kabza. In Urdu, we will say kabza, kabza कब देंगे, मलकियत कब देंगे, मलकियत और possession हम मलकियत को कहते हैं कब्जे. That's my pointer, mine. That's mine. ये मलकियत जाहिर कर रहा है. पोजेशन का मीनिंग यही होता है कि ये ये मलकियत को जाहिर कर रहा होता है, राइट. तो अब आपको मेरी बात की समझ आ जाएगी. पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव जो होते हैं ये मलकियत को जाहिर कर रहे थे, जो क्वालिटी होती है उसकी मलकियत को जाहिर कर रहे थे. तो लेट्स कम टू द बोर्ड. सी द पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव आर that adjective which shows possession. Possessive adjectives are those words which shows a possession, like your, his, her, its, their, etc. For example, I am looking after, मैं ढूंढ रहा हूं किसे? her dog. her dog possession को जाहिर कर रहा है. I am looking after her dog. Hi, that's my pen. My is again here possession, possessive adjective. She likes my hat. That my is again here possessive adjective. So in simple word I describe, और मुझे उम्मीद है मेरे बेटों को, मेरे बच्चों को, मेरे शहजादों को ये सारी समझ आ गई होगी, और अगर समझ आ गई है तो मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करिएगा। ये मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है अपने बच्चों से, अपने बेटों से ये रिक्वेस्ट है कि ये ज़रूर करिएगा, इससे फ़ायदा होगा और मेरी मेहनत जो है ये रंग लाएगी इंशाल्लाह। तो प्यारे बच्चों, बहुत शुक्रिया फॉर वाचिंग अस, थैंक यू। अल्लाह ताला आप सबको इस कोविड-19 से छुटकारा दिलाए और सेव रहें, घर पे रहें और सेव रहें, और ट्राई करें जब बाहर जाएं तो मास्क वगैरह पहन लें, क्योंकि ज़िंदगी बहुत कीमती है और ज़िंदगी एक अमानत है, इसकी हिफाजत कीजिए। अल्लाह ताला आपका और मेरा हामी नासिर हो। अस्सलामु अलैकुम।